Welcome viewers to the SD online classes. Today we are going to do the second numerical question, solved numerical question in your textbook, page number 58. This is of class 9 physics, MBSc, Mizoram Board of School Education, gravitation and flotation, your chapter number 3. The page number is 58, I told you. The second question asks you what happens to the force between two objects. That means force will change by how much if the mass of the object is doubled. Let us start. Number 1, F is equal to G m1 m2 by d square. This is the regular formula. Now, if mass of one object is double, if m1 becomes 2m doubled, okay, so then what will happen to the force? Let us see. F is equal to G. In place of m1 I will have to write 2m1 because it is doubled. M2 will remain as it is and this will be d square. What happened here? This will become 2g m1 m2 by d square. So what is this? F is equal to 2g m1 m2 by d square. How much is this? G m1 m2 by d square is F. So what is the meaning? So the new force is 2 times. So 2F means if m1 is doubled, this will mean the force will be doubled. Can you see how it is doubled? Here it is 2F. Fine, the first question done. Number 2, the distance between the object is doubled and tripled 2 times, okay. So F is equal to G m1 m2 by d square. Suppose here we can make 2 times. Number A here, if d becomes double, that means 2d, then what will happen to the force? F dash equal to G m1 m2 by double means 2d square. What is this? G m1 m2 divided by 2 square is 4, d square is d square. Now you see what is happening. 1 by 4 G m1 m2 by d square, okay. This is the old force. See, G m1 m2 d square. That means what has happened? Force, I'll call it 2, okay. Force 2 equals to 1 by 4 of the old force. That means what? If d is doubled, force will become very less. Can you see? F2 is 1 by 4 reduced by 4 times, or 1/4 also you can write, reduced by 4 times. Similarly, there is another part in the same number 2. If d is 3d, then what will happen? Suppose F3, if I call it double is 2, so I will call it F3. G m1 m2 by 3d square. What is this? G m1 m2 by 3 square is 9, d square is d square, 1 by 9 G m1 m2 by d square. What is this? F3 equal to 1 by 9. This is what? This is the original force G m1 m2. So this means what? This means if d is tripled, force will reduced by 9 times. Have you seen? 9 times it is reduced. What is the last one? If m1 becomes 2m1, isn't it, and m2 becomes 2m2, then what will happen? New force will become G 2m1 into 2m2 divided by d square. Look at here, 2 2s are 4, G m1 m2 by d square. This means F dash equal to 4 times F. Can you see, if the two masses are doubled, force will be 4 times. So, if M1 and M2 are doubled, this will implies force will be 4 times increased or increases. Okay. So, this is the question number 2 solved. Thank you.